Hey everybody, I'm back doing domain, range, and is it a function? So if we're looking at this, the first thing we're going to do is it a function? Functions mean that x does not repeat. So if I'm looking at my x values, every specific point that I see are on different x values. So since the x does not repeat, this is, yes, a function. So that's the first thing. Now with domain and range with this one, they are very specific points. So because we have very specific points on this, we just have to look at from least to greatest order always what specific x's they are falling on. So if I'm looking at the x coordinate here, this one is, so you can see, -3. So our domain would be -3, comma, the -2, but there's also a point on the x value of -2. 1, we have 2, and then we also have 5. So we have very specific points. This is a non-continuous graph, so we have very specific points that we are talking about. And then when we do the range, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to start from the lowest to highest, so least to greatest. So we're starting down here at the -5 on the y-axis, and we're going to put a comma. We're going to go to the y that's next, which would be this one, which is 0. And then we have 1 right after that at 1. See that there's 2 of them at 1. It's okay to have y values where they're repeated. Doesn't matter. That's still proving to us that it is a function. And then we have the number 4 because that one's on 4. So even though you have a different set of x values than your y values, that's okay. Because again, you can't have x repeat. You can have y repeat all day, every day. So it doesn't really make a difference. This is how you would do the domain and range for very specific points. And if you want more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel. You want algebra, check them out under the function or not playlist.